Rasam. Ingredients you need: half cup tomato diced, a 2-inch piece of ginger, 1 dessert spoon toor dal, 1 teaspoon jeera, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon asafoetida, 3 to 4 garlic pods, a few sprigs of coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon peppercorns, 2 to 3 dry red chillies. Grind together peppercorns, ginger and garlic with 1 red chilli. Put the mixture in a pressure cooker. Put in the tomato and toor dal. Add asafoetida powder, coriander powder, chilli powder and salt. Add enough water. Light the stove and let it cook. Once cooked, strain it and mash the mixture to squeeze out the juice. Now for the seasoning, heat oil in a pan. Throw in the mustard seeds and wait for them to splutter. Add red chillies and coriander leaves and saute well. Pour in the rasam over the seasoning. Hot and tangy rasam is ready to be relished.